No matter the hardship in Nigeria, may we not eat frog. Owl, may we not eat frog. When you find yourself in such situation that you no longer know what to eat, just declare, I'm a choosing this situation. Who are you? Imagine frog, owl. But I'm just wondering, what is the egg used for here? Okay, anyway, this is just enough live frog with a whole lot of egg that can be used to do something meaningful. Sprinkle salt on it. Froggy. You will see what she's going to use this froggy to cook. People they chop. People they chop. All thanks to our ancestors for providing something meaningful for us to eat, because I don't understand. And then with this frog, she just cut a whole lot of grass. Just cut grass, cut pepper, add salt, add what is it called? Onion, all those grounded onion, add garlic, put honey na then just go to the bush and cut any grass you see, any green leaf you see, cut it and add it inside the pot where the frog is being cooked. And the worst part of it is that she didn't even remove the frog intestine. Hey, food is ready, just like that. Food is ready. Froggy grass soup. Is it froggy vegetable? Froggy vegetable stew, because he's actually eating it with rice. It seems you can actually eat this froggy vegetable stew with anything. You can eat it with spaghetti, but she's going to eat hers with rice. Imagine, this is how Corona started though. Froggy has turned to food. This she's about to eat it. She's about to eat it. Oh, froggy. Froggy. Oh, guys, let me just end here. Bye-bye.